Yesterday, I received a phone call from a gallery in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, or actually, I think it's in Park City. There's several places where this gallery is located. I think it's in Park City. Anyway, they want me to do a sculpture of Abraham Lincoln, a bust of Lincoln. And it's because the gentleman who bought a copy of my Buffalo Warrior, it's because the client who bought a copy of Buffalo Soldier, Cold Night on the Prairie, which I'll show a picture here of, wants a bust of Lincoln now to go along with it as kind of like a pair. And so I'm going to be making it the same size as the Buffalo Soldier in scale. And I've got a life-size mask, a copy of a life-size mask that was made of President Lincoln back in 1860. And you can actually buy these online. Some of them are pretty expensive. I think the one that I've got is you can get it for as little as $79. I don't know. I was looking online yesterday about trying to see what they cost now. But at any rate, I've got to clear off a space on my table here so that I can put that bust on my table. And I've got to, and it's on a tall support, and I'll show you in a second what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm going to remove this guy here and come back to him when I get done with the Lincoln. So I'm going to be, it's not a bad thing to put this aside because it'll give me time to be away from it, and when I come back, I'll look at it with brand new eyes. All right, that's what's going on today, and I'll be researching today or this afternoon and into the weekend, and maybe even a couple of days in the beginning of next week. I don't know. I'm just going to be playing it by ear right now. All right, be right back when I get things cleared off here. All right, this is the life mask. Now, I added clay on the back of it. I put it on a armature, and I added clay to the mask just so I could get some kind of view of what he might have looked like. I added clay to the original mask, and it's just a copy of the original mask. It's not the actual historical what do they call it? Original mask. It's just a copy of that mask, taken from that mask. All right, I'm going to cut down this long board I've got underneath it. I did this about probably 25 years ago. I was just curious what it looked like in person, and it was kind of cool having this. You can actually get the hand of Lincoln, a cast of Lincoln's hand holding a broom handle that was made of it when they made this life mask. And it's really fascinating. All right, be right back. All right, I laid him down on this foam. It's a packing that I got out of a box that was shipped to me of some item that had this foam to protect it, and I never throw that stuff away because you never know when you can use it. I've also taken 2 long screws and put it through the base into the turntable so that this is going to be on there solid. It won't move on me. And now with my reciprocating saw, I'm going to cut him off right about there. I want to square it off, so I'm going to grab a angled carpenter's angle and draw a line where I'm going to cut. All right, be right back. I got one problem. Whoop. Okay, it just broke through. Naturally, I get a message at the same time. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the best way to mount him. I've got this piece of, well, a big piece of wood, really thick. And I'm thinking I can attach him to this. But then I got to figure out how I'm going to attach it to the base. It's hard to get a grip on that screw. All right. Well, it certainly isn't a professional job, carpentry job, but I think it'll be okay. I just hope it holds. I'm not going to go banging it around, that's for damn sure. All right, everybody, have a great night, and I'll see you sometime next week. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.